Hey YouTube, these are the Splash Kids, and subscribe to our channel, Star Trish in Heaven. Let's see what the Splash Kids are doing today.
The Splash Kids! Hi YouTube. Today we're doing coloring our slimes. And with these markers, the LOL markers, the brand by LOL. This one doesn't have LOL. But I'm going to be doing the same colors that she's doing. She's going to be doing the same colors that we're doing. We're doing the same colors. I'm Cousin Heaven. I'm Cousin Samaria. And make sure
And if you guys,
we're the Splash Kids.
And if you're wondering what we're wearing, we made these by hand. And these two.
Yeah.
And yeah. So let's just get to this video.
So let's put on the markers.
Yeah. I'm going to be
Wait a
doing...
minute. Oh.
Okay, so I'm going to be doing it first. So I can't wait to do this.
Oh my God, Heaven.
And also, guys, we made this white slime. So wish me luck if this makes a pretty color.
I'm going to be doing blue first.
And also, guys, if you're wondering where all these clothes got, just thank my mom. Okay, now I need the blue Samaria. Hold on. Oh, here's the pink.
Oh, that's interesting. So what are you guys doing? Slime?
Yeah.
It looks like slime.
It is.
So what are y'all going to be doing? Like, are y'all going to mix it?
Yeah, we're going to be mixing it. That one's going to stay white.
Yeah.
We're going to be both doing the same colors. Can I mix it first, though?
Sure. We're both mixing it together.
Okay. I can, like, color mine.
I need the blue.
Yeah, because you do need the blue. Here's the blue. I need more pink.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're my favorite cousin.
Thanks. You're my favorite cousin too.
And guys, that's my clothes that she's wearing. And we have the Splash Kids! Samaria?
We the Splash Kids. I'm so sorry. I'm just so focused on my slime.
Yeah, me too. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna wait for you, Samaria.
Alright.
So you guys made slime.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
What kind of glue did you guys use?
we used white glue.
Elmer's glue.
Yeah.
And
And we also used Tide for the activator.
Tide is activator. Yeah. We need to keep on getting that right, Evan. But okay. Anyway, let's just.
Are you guys talking to y'all fans on YouTube?
Yeah. And make sure you subscribe. And we're
the Splash Kids. And if you guys wonder where these come from, just thank my mom.
Yeah.
And we're the kidscity.com. charmbraceletcity.com.
Hold on. What's the pink?
Pink is right here. I need it.
Wow, cool slime.
Thank you. I can't wait to see it when it's done. I just gotta wait for Samaria. She just has to hurry up.
And you are?
I'm Heaven, the cousin that's really pretty.
I'm Samaria, the cousin that's really pretty. And we're the Splash Kids!
We're the Splash Kids. You got it, Samaria. And I can't wait to just mix our slime. Okay, I'm done. So pretty. Thank you. Wait, I need the pink. Oh, here we go. Yeah, just wait for me, guys, because this pink is not.
Oh my God.
Slime. Slime. Okay, there. I'm done. Now let's mix, Samaria.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's.